So I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of people saying to not buy exotic pets from chain pet stores. Well, this is why. So this is a milk snake, very similar to Rouge as you can see, and if you move along down here, you can see a mouse that is filled, infested with ants. Look at that. This is unbelievable. This is from a pet store. How do you expect a snake to eat a mouse full of ants? Even if it does, it's gonna have a mouth full of ants, which is terrible. Look at a sad snake. Very, very sad to see this. Okay, now we're moving on to a big iguana over here. I'm not sure, I think it's a male. It's on wood shavings, and look at the feces down there, the mess. They haven't cleaned it up, which is so sad. And if you look closely at this guy's mouth, it looks like he has some kind of mouth rot. I'm not really sure, but I can't open his mouth obviously. Oh, there he is. He's opening his mouth for us. Looks like he knows. Smart guy. Really sad to see this huge guy in such a small enclosure. I mean, even the water, it doesn't even look clean. Really sad. Look at this guy. He doesn't even look happy at all. And even this leopard gecko. Look at how small of an enclosure he's in. Down here we have some birds, some pigeons, but I'm not really sure about birds, so I can't really say much. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to thumbs it up. I mean, there's nothing really anything to enjoy here, but it was my first time witnessing something like that, so I just thought of filming it and showing it to you guys. On the screen now you will see the list of our latest patrons, so thank you guys so much for all of your support. It really helps me out and I really appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, hit that little notification bell so you'll know when I upload in the future, because YouTube doesn't always notify people, so yeah. If you'd like to support me through Patreon, there's a link in the description below together with the other social media links, so it'll be cool if you check those out. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.